Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm guessing by the title you guys already know that we're going to be giving this old girl a bit of a clean up. I don't know when the last time was that this thing had a clean, but I definitely know it has not been for a long time. It's been off the road for about 10 years. If you guys have watched the other video on the FC, you would have seen that, but if you guys haven't, definitely go click back and watch this video, because this is going to be a pretty cool build on the channel. We're not building this per se, we're going to get it up and running and back onto the road in roadworthy condition and do some cool mods to it. But yeah, I think it's time this thing deserves a bit of a wash. It is going to get fully repainted, so I'm not too worried about how I'm going to wash it, but I'm going to do my best job that I can. But yeah, we'll wheel this thing out and yeah, get it onto the wash bay over there and start giving this thing a bit of a clean, so we can find some other pretty dodgy looking repairs. And yeah, I'm not too worried about all the dodgy repairs anyways, because Jared, who you guys saw spray my engine bay for me, he's a professional painter, and we're gonna do this thing 100% how you're supposed to do it. So anything we find is just gonna be kind of irrelevant in terms of us repainting it. But yeah, anyways, we'll get stuck into giving this thing a good wash and might even detail the inside a wee bit. I just want to preface to you guys that this car is a lot heavier than it looks, and it probably took me like half an hour just to pull it up here, put it next to that Corvette that's in a beautiful scene, just to take a photo and just put it back there just to wash it. Like, I could have started and moved it, but I don't know what the engine's up to, so I don't want to be too crazy with it. But yeah, I'm sweating. It's like 26 degrees outside. It's Celsius for you Americans watching. But yeah, anyways, we'll get stuck into washing this thing. I'll quickly hook up the power washer and yeah, we'll start washing this abandoned FC. First wash in 10 years. So I got the first bit of foam washed up, and you can really see some paint defects starting to show, some of the clear starting to peel and crack, and some new bits in that popping up. So like I said, this one is pretty home job with a spray can. The orange peel on this is another level. Like, yeah, it's pretty bad. Like I said, not worried about the wheels because they came off the Hilux, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna get some nice Watanabe style wheels for this thing, I think. Just get some rotor ones, but don't think I'll be able to find some Watanabes in the spec that we need for this. But yeah, it's looking not too bad. It'd be nice if the paint was good condition, because then you could actually see. But I don't know if you can tell there, but the orange peel is insane. But yeah, we'll foam her up again, get the mitt out, and yeah, give it a bit more of a clean. And the panels are all dry, great. Oh, that's an ugly bald mark there. Yum. I think we might call that a day there, guys. I'm absolutely sweating, I'm drenched, and I don't think a bit of interior cleaner is gonna make much of a difference to this interior. It's actually not too bad, but yeah, now that we can have a look in here, it's actually looking a lot better than it did, although the paint is pretty wrecked. It does actually look a heap cleaner, so I'm pretty happy with that. And it's nice to give it a clean, you know, bit of a revamp. It probably deserved bit of a clean after being neglected for so long, so I'm happy we could do that for the car. Gonna keep us looking forward to what's coming next on it. But yeah, thanks for tuning into this one. This one was a bit of a fun one for me, just, you know, mucking around with filming and washing and that. But yeah, hope you guys like this video, and if you guys haven't, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.